Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jenna Charlton if you don't know me, and this is Road to Sesotho Fashioning, a show where we are counting down to the biggest concert in Lesotho. Hashtag Areyeng Masiru. And today I'm with one of the people who are on the lineup, artist, musician, producer, and songwriter Morena Sway. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm great, man. How you doing?
I'm awesome. You look fantastic.
Thank you. You look beautiful as always.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Anyways, we're gonna get straight into it, But before everything Sesotho Fashioning, would just like you to tell us, a bit more about Morena Sway for Motho Ashebelletseng and who is seeing you for the first time.
Okay, cool. Morena Sway is a young musician, producer, songwriter, artist. I'm just a lover of song, man. And I'm all about music. I was born here in Lesotho. I grew up here and I'm still here, still doing the music. Yeah, that's me. Mabitso akapa sing ke ba taung mpota. Yeah, man, I'm just all about music.
Yeah. But where did the journey how young Mino begin?
Okay. It began a long time ago. I was actually raised by a mother who was a musician. She used to play piano in the house and guitars and listen to good music. I think when I started singing, it was a long time ago. I think I was already singing.
Yeah.
Even before I started talking, I was already singing. Right? If it makes sense.
Yeah. I get that.
So this says I've always been singing. Yes.
All right. So you're going to perform 2 songs for us today. Maikutlo, which is your latest single, and obviously one of your biggest songs, right?
Yeah.
Sematsatsa. Just tell us a bit more about Sematsatsa and how it came about and what it means to you.
Sematsatsa came.
Also, now, Kimang Sematsatsa Seo. We want to know that.
Sematsatsa sena kwena hla ku ipone hle. Ooh. Yeah, man, this song Sematsatsa means a lot to me in a way, man. It came at a time where I really needed a breakthrough in a way. So it's a song that I had written and produced and in Eduti Fela. I think before it was released Eduti for about 3 years, and it was just a demo. And then when I arrived in Maseru, that's when we put it on the table and everyone liked it and we reproduced it.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, I released it, and then it became what it is today,
Yeah.
So it means a lot to me.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're going to perform that for us, and then tell us about Maikutlo, which is your latest single.
Maikutlo, interesting. I'm actually trying to introduce a new sound, and Maikutlo is one of those songs that have been reworked on now and released now. It's actually like an introduction of what I'm coming up with, right? So yeah, it's an introduction of a sound I'm doing.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful love song, Maikutlo. Yeah.
All right. So Morena Sway is going to give us a little bit of that right now. Yay.
Baby, or a jump, how go fella. So I will stay forever. Because I'm looking someone out the baby. Don't tip belong. I can hold me with papa. No, Police are my good. Police are my good. I can only win. I can only whip papa. Police are my good. Police are my good. I can only win. I can only whip papa. Police are my good. Yes, you do. Police are my good. Yeah. Police are my good. Police are my good. Oh na na na. Police are my good. Police are my good. Oh na na na. Police are my good. Police are my good. Oh na na na. Police are my good. Police are my good. Oh na na na. I guess so money would let ocean. Would let bosan do me loro bala. I never seen the kind of beauty. African beauty got me crazy. When about to mula do king. Nana, your smile be shining brighter, brighter than the sun. And I will never tell you later. Later might be greater. I am never gonna waste your time. Yes, yes, I'm very big. Yeah. Yeah, lazima tata. Get it on, yeah. I'm never gonna let you go. Yeah, let you go. I really wanna make you mine. Really wanna make you mine, babe. Yeah, lazima tata. Manaka go mamele. I'm never gonna let you go. Let you go, yeah. I really wanna make you mine, babe. Really wanna make you my babe. I just need a little bit of your time, babe. I promise I won't waste your time, babe. You make a real nigga wanna pull up. Put it by how when it's a pull up. Baby, I promise no man can pass you by. Don't wanna be a passerby. I really wanna take you by. Making my ride or die, babe. Now your smile be shining brighter, brighter than the sun. And I will never tell you later. Later might be greater. I am never gonna waste your time. Yes, I'm over it. Yeah. Yeah, lazima tata. Get it on, yeah. I'm never gonna let you go. Yeah. Let you go. I really wanna make you mine. Really wanna make you mine, babe. Yeah, lazima tata. Wanaka go mamele. I'm never gonna let you go. Let you go, yeah. I really wanna make you mine. Really wanna make you my babe.
What an incredible performance by Moganeswe. I have one question, right? So this new sound you're trying to introduce, what's the inspiration behind it?
I'm just trying to be authentic. I think we're at a point where our music in the country is almost sounding the same, you know. So I feel like the music should be like a rainbow, you know. We should paint it in different colors. So I was just there at my place in my studio and thinking, why don't I just, come up with something different, something sounding international, even though we're singing Sesotho, just the way we came up, Afrobeat, Sesotho, and that's just what's behind this new sound. Yeah.
All right. And our main question here, because obviously it's a road to Sesotho fashioning, one of the biggest concerts. What does Sesotho fashioning mean to Morena Sway?
Like I'm saying, man, singing over an international sound, Sesotho, it means we are basically putting Sesotho fashioning in a way, and most definitely Itadueke, our brother, and Ndajistan, he's actually the center of attention around this. We are supporting him, and yeah, man, he's opened so many doors for us, and that's what it means to me. Yeah.
And shout out to you for making our culture shine through your lovely, nice voice. And thank you for coming to the show. Yeah. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching. Until the next one. Bye.
I'll never gonna let you go, yeah. I really wanna make you my babe. Really wanna make you my babe. I just need a little bit of your time, babe. I promise I won't waste your time, babe. You make a real nigga wanna pull up. Put it by how when it's a pull up. Baby, I promise no man can